My son Justin is awesome. Justin likes anime. He's a big anime guy. Oh, yay! Okay, and he likes wrestling. He's a big WWE fan. And his new thing, though, anything weird, scary, haunted, I take him to the movies and I have to hide under the seat. He's kind, he's compassionate, he's caring, he's funny. Justin is absolutely, positively the most important part of our family. And that's because he has autism. He doesn't understand how to interact in social situations. He doesn't have friends. He spends most of his time alone. The invitations are not numerous when a child has autism. Let's just put it that way. One day last May, he called me from school. 32 times in one day. When he got home from school that day, he said, "Mommy, I'm lonely." And that's not because Justin didn't have anybody to talk to. It's that no one would talk to him. How can anybody be lonely in a building where there's over 2,000 people walking around? How do we let that happen? Justin goes to this rink. My cousin Dennis gives him free lessons for 6 or 7 months. Justin comes to me and goes, "Hey, Daddy, Uncle Dennis says there's a rec league team and I'd like to play." And I said, "Okay." And he said, "Daddy, I want to play with the regular kids, not the kids with special needs." And these boys had been skating for 6 and 7 years, and Justin was skating for 6 or 7 months. The coach, Andrew, would come up to me, like, "Hey, Mr. Flood, today's the day. We'll get Justin a goal. We'll get him a goal. We'll get him more ice time." And I'd look at him and I'd say, "Listen, Andrew, I don't care about Justin scoring a goal. All I care about is that Justin is part of, one of, included in, one of the boys out on the ice having a good time." So the last game of the season, Justin skates in. "Come on, Justin!" Stuffs it in the goal. Yeah! That's the puck from August 13th, 2011. So I go over to the opposing team's bench. I reach out my hand to their coach. I'm like, "Bro, thank you." This coach looks down at me and he goes, "What are you thanking me for? Thank my boys." They were 10, 11, and 12 years old, and all they did was let a kid score a goal. They showed up. Justin looks like all the other kids. He looks like all of you guys, and he is just like all of you guys. Not here, in here.
Number 3, Justin Clark.
Justin! Everybody in this building has felt separate from, different from, outside of, not included in. Can you be a person who reaches over to, out to, down to, back to, or go where that person is? Your life's about all the people around you that you can teach and touch and impact.
Way to go, Justin.
Can you show up for a kid with autism? Can you show up for a kid who doesn't speak the language? Can you show up for a kid who's shy? Can you just show up? Just show up. That's all you gotta do, is just show up for somebody else.